Hello and you're very welcome. In this video what I want to look at is a scenario where, for example, if you look down here at the bottom left hand corner, I've got, let's say, sheets for Galway, Limerick, Athlone and Summary. Right? And one of the things that's really handy to be able to do if you're working with worksheets is to be able to see them all on the screen at the same time. Okay? So the way we do that in Excel is view, window and arrange all. Now before we start, the thing I want you to notice up here is that up here it says view, arrange all. Okay, and the reason why I'm noting you that is that when we go through this, I'm just going to draw your attention to a couple of things here. So the first thing I begin with is I go to view and I click on new window. Now when I click on new window, the first thing I want you to notice is that it's like nothing has happened. But what has happened up here is that up here after view, arrange all, there's the number 2, which tells me I now have 2 windows on this workbook. So if you kind of imagine this is like a room, what I want to do is basically create a window for each of the sheets. So I want to end up with 4 windows. So I do that by going back over here to view, click on new window, see there it says 3, and then view and new window again. All right. So when you're doing this, it's like you don't actually see anything. Now what I want to do then is set this up so I can see all 4 sheets up on the screen at the same time. So I'll go here to view, I'll go over here to arrange all. Okay, and the thing you need to notice here that you need to tick is the thing here that says Windows of Active Workbook. Right. Now when you tick this, it means that the 4 windows that I've just created here, like from Galway, Limerick, Athlone, will appear on the screen. If I don't tick this, what happens is that all the files I have open will appear on the screen. Right, so you get like what I call the minority report effect, where it's like, whoa, if you have a lot of files open. Here, I just want to make sure I just can see Galway, Limerick and Athlone, and Summary, of course. So make sure there's a tick here in the box, and then I click OK. Right, I see there straight away, and then I click over here in Galway, there's the Galway sheet. Then I click on the Limerick sheet, and then I go to Athlone, and then I go to Summary. And that's another thing you just need to watch for when you're doing this, to make sure that if you plan to use this again, let's say for formulas and so on, that you make sure you're actually clicked on the right one, because quite often people do this and they end up kind of adding up like with Limerick to Limerick or Galway to Galway. So let's click up here on this one, finish off the formulas, and I'm just going to go to my home, and I'm just going to go to this one here, my auto sum, press enter, just go here, double click on that to copy it down. All right. And if I come over here then down to my summary sheet down here, I'll just go down a little bit, equals, and if I just can click up here then, see I can click up directly here on this one, and see that it says Galway E6, press enter, and then I can just double click on it to copy it down. Okay, just to bear in mind that you need to have like with like and so on if you're going to do it this way. And then if I come over here and realize I've actually bought 1,000 printers, what will happen to my total? It's now 240. When I press enter, it's gone up to 1124, and this is updated automatically as well. Now to restore them, the quickest way to just restore them is just to click here and just pick one of the windows and just maximize it. And this just brings it back again to how it was. If you make any changes, because it's a file, you see there I still have it, it's still the file. And if I go back here to Galway and change this back to 214338, and this changes here automatically as well. Right. So I hope you found this useful, and as always, if you have any questions, just come back to me. Mind yourself, take care, bye.